So what's going on, guys? It is Swingster here, and I'm back with a brand new tutorial on the channel, guys. And in today's one, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys the way I make all my thumbnails on the channel. You guys are wondering, how do I do that, dude? How do I get those good at thumbnails? I do make them with Adobe Photoshop. So if you guys are watching this video, you came here for Adobe Photoshop. This is the right place, dude. I can make a thumbnail, dude, within 2-3 minutes as long as I get all my photos quickly. I can make them that easily. Obviously, there are some advanced ways you can make them that take a little extra time, but this is the best way to do it. Make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe on the video if you guys are new to the channel. I don't really do tutorial videos on the channel, but I figured, I might as well do this. I play Call of Duty and stuff, so this is how I make all my thumbnails. But let's get straight into the video here. Basically, once you have opened up your Adobe Photoshop, you're gonna go to File, and then it will drop down. You click New. I already did it though. I have in the background here, you can see that's not my thumbnail, dude. That's the graphics pack that I will link in the description, hopefully, if I don't forget. But here, dude. So what you guys want to do is you want to make this 1920, and then make the height 1080, and make sure it's on pixels instead of inches. You do not want to mess that up. That's gonna be the best quality you guys can do. Make sure that's 8-bit. Red, green, blue color, unless you guys are using different scales. I usually just put the color mode on normal, and then put a transparent background. I feel like it doesn't matter, but I like doing that. And then also name your title. I saved that for last year. I'll just name it Black Ops 3 Zombies. All right, because I play a lot of Black Ops 3 earlier in the channel, but now I'm playing the new games. But here is I'm gonna show one way that you guys can make a Black Ops 3 Zombies one, then I'll also do a World War II multiplayer one. So once you get in here, once you guys have gotten your background, you want to go to the internet here, search up BO3 Zombies maps. I think I just did zombie maps. I already have a thumbnail, or I already have a photo saved for you guys. I think I just did zombie maps, and then I scrolled down. You can use Origins one, whatever you guys want. If you're using World War II ones, just search up the same thing. I think I used. So yeah, again, another good thing, what you guys want to do, if you're finding a thumbnail, you don't want it to be looking. Well, you can have it looking down. But there's a whole other thing that you guys got to do. Like right here, it's the main level. Really easy. You add the gun in there. Very, very easy. You guys will know what I'm talking about later on the video. I think the one that I used. I'm not finding the one that I used, but it's very, very similar to one of these pictures. You basically just save that onto your computer. You go to File, Place, and then you're going to want to go over. Okay, this is in my downloads, my graphics pack. Then those are some of my fonts. But you're going to this PC. I'm going to go to my storage. Pictures should be in here. These are all. Some of these are my my backgrounds for some, and then some of them are my finished thumbnails. But most of them are in a different category. I save them in so many. I have so many, so I save them in certain areas so that I don't screw everything up, bro. Okay, there is the thumbnail. There's the background that I use. This is straight from Treyarch. Okay, and again, we're gonna do that there. This one's a little blurry. I kind of like the blurry photos because it makes it focus more on the gun. And the next thing you guys want to do is go back over to your Chrome. I do recommend using Chrome. You get the best pictures. Just search up Black Ops 3. Weapons, PNG. You want the PNG. That basically means transparent background. You want the transparent background. You don't want it to be anything else. It just doesn't look good. You guys can use any of these guns here. I already have a gun saved into my my computer though. Oh, another thing, guys. If you guys don't know what's messed up right here, this right here. So if you got any white things, you make sure you want to go over to the little move thing over here. You have to do show transform controls. You have to click that box and then make it so it looks good. Usually it looks fine. You shouldn't have to edit it too much. The next thing you guys want to do is go back to your pictures and find the saved like gun that you guys use. So I use this gun. This isn't in Black Ops 3, but you guys will just find a gun from Black Ops 3. Any gun that you guys want to do if you're doing like a 2-box challenge, to put the ray guns in there or something, It depends what you're doing. I'm gonna make it that big, and make sure you guys hold shift. If you guys didn't know this, hold shift and then drag this out. It'll make the photo proportional The next thing you guys want to do, you guys don't have to do the next step that I'm doing, but it is definitely a very cool thing to add. Just do Black Ops 3 perks PNG. Again, transparent means PNG if you guys didn't know that. And then, you know, just file, save that. I think I use this one. Don't use this one. It's got a little green thing on the side, and I have to erase it at every single one. I would recommend using this one, but I do like the jug in the beginning. And then you just go to File, Place. Again, this is the fastest way, dude. File, Place. You gotta find my perks. There it is. Okay, I'm adding my perks right here. I'm gonna make them a tiny bit bigger. I think I want that. Yeah, so that looks great right there. Again, there's a little green spot right there. You see that green thing? If you have to ever erase anything, if anyone ever screwed up on something, I don't know why my size is that high, but do that. Hardness. Okay, no. There we go. Yeah. So click on the layer. Make sure you're on the right layer. You don't want to erase a different layer. And then I'm erasing this green thing on the side. Okay. Oof. Alright, let me Command Z that. Command Z is undo, guys. Most of you guys already know that, but alright. So that looks alright. I could do it a little better, but for the sake of the video, let's continue on here. The next thing you guys will want to do is make sure you guys go search up Black Ops 3 logo or something like that. If you guys want a logo on the top left to show your viewers what you're doing, something like this, except for Black Ops 3 or whatever you guys are playing. That's the general idea of what I do. Although I don't think I have a Black Ops 3 one, so I just put Nazi Zombies. It would look a lot better if there was a different one there. But let me just delete that in case you guys don't want that. Here is another great way what you can do with your gun here. So the gun is just chilling, okay? It's just chilling like a villain. You're going to go over here, double click that. If it pops up with the title like it did for me, just ignore it, go back in and try it again, double click on it. Go to Drop Shadow. I'm pretty sure I used Drop Shadow on this gun before. I've used this gun before in some of my other thumbnails. You're just going to make it, you want to add some texture on it, okay? You don't want the gun to be just chilling there. You don't want it to be just chilling. You want to make it look like it's actually there, because obviously you got a PNG, so it's not like you're in game and you took the picture. Add a tiny bit of texture on that. That looks good to go, dude. So right here, let me go over right here. If you ever want to just look at the picture, I usually just click right there. Okay, we're looking good right there. That looks fine. You can put whatever text you want over there. I think I'll explain the text in the next thumbnail that I'll make. But that's mostly how I make all of my thumbnails, guys. I literally just grab background, a plain background. You don't want anything on it, because obviously adding the stuff in is very simple. I put my perks in there, and again, not all my thumbnails are like this, but I usually follow the same pattern. And then let me just show you some examples of some of my other thumbnails. I know that was really easy, but let me just show you an example of another thumbnail. Where is it? So I'm gonna go to this PC. Like, I do recommend organizing all of your pictures and stuff into different folders. I have it. Okay, here's another one. I did custom zombies one time. So I had, this one doesn't look as good because the sniper's it's a little alright, but yo, you get it. We also did beat that map, dude. We also did beat that map. Let me open up another one here for you guys. I got the farm one. I had you guys can't see it as good. Okay, we got another one here. This is like a one window challenge. You got the gun in there, the perks. Again, very simple, very easy. You guys don't even have to have Adobe Photoshop, although I'll be going into more details on that in some other videos, because there is some good things that you want on Adobe Photoshop. Let me actually, where's the one that I made the other day, bro? I'm not seeing that. I ain't seeing it. Alright, it's right here. Okay, this one I will explain. Alright. Okay, it's just gonna be, I'm gonna place it, but this one I will explain in one of my next videos. If you guys want to, stay on the channel, subscribe. I usually do more COD videos, dude. I play video games on the channel. I'm a streamer. I don't really do these tutorials, but in this video I am, and I might make one next week. It's just really easy, and I just want to help you guys out. So this one right here, as you can see, I put some special, I put a special color correction on it. This is, if you guys have probably seen this before in Fortnite. I put some text there. I made it cool on the outside, and I will show you guys probably in the next video if I do it. I say if we get 15 likes on this video, dude, I will make another one going into detail, and this graphics pack, like I think I said earlier in the video that I'll link it down below. You guys can use all the stuff in here. Here's what I did. So this right here is what I used on that. So you see all that white stuff there? I used this, and then I erased the middle around the bush. There's so much other stuff in here that just random stuff you can use. They got the color corrections. This is what I used also on it. Just adds different, like, over on it. I'll probably link that below for you guys. But the next thing, I'm not done yet, guys. You want to click File. You want to go to Save As, unless you have you're editing the thing. Photoshop, you don't want to save it as a Photoshop. If you want to come back and edit it later, I would definitely recommend doing it as Photoshop. But if you guys are just uploading it to YouTube, stuff like that, the best way to do it is just JPEG. Right here, you just want to click that, and then I have it in my finished category. I don't know, whatever you guys save it to. If you guys are unorganized, you can save it wherever you want. Just make sure you guys get it, because you guys don't want to screw that up. But the last thing here is most important. I usually don't have the file go over 1 megabyte, just because I haven't checked the YouTube thing, but I'm sure it's fine if you go over 1. But this thumbnail looks like it's alright. We're looking good here. Maximum. You guys want that to maximum. 12 is the maximum. You just click OK, and then it will save. Although I'm not gonna save it because I'm not actually playing Shi No Numa right now. Or what is this map? Yeah, Shi No Numa. That is it for the video, though. Drop a like, subscribe. Like I said, 15 likes. I'll make a Fortnite one on this. I was just making a COD one for you guys. And then let me show you guys a text that you guys can use. I'll just put hi around impact. You guys want this on impact up there. Most computers do have that. You're going to want to double click that. Like I said, double click it. Go over to gradient overlay. And then you go to this one right here. You can really add whatever you want. Oh, it didn't save for some reason. I must not have clicked on it. Gradient overlay. Go back here. Yeah, I didn't click OK. And then I'm gonna go to stroke, and then make that a tiny bit bigger. Okay. High round. Boom. Cool text there. I do recommend using impact. It's a really good one. But I gotta go. This is the end of the video. Like I said, drop a like. This is how I make most of my thumbnails. I'm just making this video during the week because I wanted to get you guys a video, and I didn't have time to play video games. So I'll be coming at you with those streams this weekend. Definitely make sure you guys do put on those post notifications. I can't even talk. Without further ado, peace out, boys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this did help you, let me know down in the comment section down below, and let me know. And again, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.